Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by making sure the remote and input are correct, because you cannot change captions without control. Once done, press Home and use the arrow keys to highlight settings on the Roku home screen. Make sure the Roku is awake and not updating, otherwise settings may be unavailable. You're beginning the process now, so you can move directly into the accessibility options where Captions live. This keeps the steps efficient and avoids wasted navigation. Now dive into accessibility or captions within settings, because Roku places caption controls there for system-wide consistency. You'll select closed captions, then use the toggle to turn captions off. If you prefer, change language or style instead of disabling. Make sure to confirm the change by pressing OK or the select button. Once toggled, captions should disappear immediately in most apps. If an app controls captions independently, you'll finish by returning to the show or app and verifying that captions are off. This confirms the system setting took effect. If captions persist, restart the Roku device or force close and reopen the app, since some apps cache settings. If the problem continues, open the app's own subtitle or CC menu to turn captions off there. Some streaming services override system settings. One key troubleshooting tip: reboot the Roku after changes to clear cached caption states and ensure the new preference applies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.